I'd like to introduce you to the greatest AAA batteries in the history of the world right here. We got the PEYESTEN rechargeable AAA batteries that are specifically made for outdoor solar lights, but we're going to use them in this flashlight I got right here. They use any product that will take AAA batteries. These are going to work amazing for, but these are rechargeable and they have extended usage time with them. So they're absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and install these to get this going. And so I'm going to put that one in there like so. Put that one in there like so. And put that one in there like so. I'm going to load it into the flashlight. Oh, it's already on. Hold on. Wait.
Big reveal.
It's the big reveal. Turn the light off. Let's see if this works. Got the little strobe function going. As you can see, this is a different type of flashlight. It works absolutely amazing. PEYESTEN rechargeable AAA batteries. Highly recommend.